Every time I log on, the search bar feels like a secret door to a hidden kingdom, and I wonder if I have the key. I began in office, with laptop on a mug, chasing clicks that never turned into customers. I soon realized words are more than words. They are magnets, promises, and sometimes silent barriers. SEO writing software has moved from mystic art to data science, with formulas, tests, and endless trial and error. I tried thousands of headlines and meta tags, each a small experiment in curiosity. When I first heard of Distribb, I was skeptical. It claimed to turn a website into a customer acquisition engine with AI. That sounded almost too good to be true. I told myself, maybe I need a new tool. I plugged it into my WordPress site, connected my product catalog, and set parameters: what I sell, my audience, and a few key phrases. The tool read my content, analyzed competitors, and began to rewrite product pages with natural language optimized for search engines. It suggested headlines that drove higher click-through rates and gave data on which keywords were pulling traffic. I watched the analytics dashboard light up like a city at night. Distribb became more than a tool. It became a collaborator. It gave me insights into the stories my customers were already telling in search queries. It helped me shape my own narrative to align with theirs. That alignment was the core of persuasive writing. After a month, my bounce rate fell 27%, and my conversion rate rose 15%. Those numbers made me pause and think. Maybe SEO is not just chasing algorithms, but about understanding people. I share this because I know how overwhelming content writing feels. I know the endless list of guidelines, the pressure to keep up with updates, and the fear that something falls flat. Distribb, for me, was a quiet partner that handled heavy lifting, so I could focus on the human side of storytelling. When you sit down to write your next piece, ask yourself, does it speak to the real desires of your readers, or does it try to please an invisible judge of Google? If you want a system that learns from your own data and helps craft language that resonates, give it a try. You might find your website becomes a place where people actually want to stay and explore. At the end of the day, SEO is not a game of numbers. It is a conversation with people who are looking for a solution. Treat it that way, and the rest will follow.